Hi, I want to show you how to build high quality software faster using event modeling and scenario hunting. Let's hunt a simple scenario from this event model. After installing the Miro add-on, I'm going to open it. It asks us a couple of questions about the scenario under test, and I'm going to answer. It asks us to select the then step of the test, so let me select it, and select the when step, and the system under test. We can type it, and the context in which the test is meaningful, let's say sales, and type a name for the scenario, items from basket. At this point, I check whether the input provides enough data to the subject to be able to calculate the expected results, or it requires some preconditions. As in this case, removing items from an empty basket can be a scenario, but as the name of the scenario indicates, it's a happy path scenario. So the items need to be in the basket to be able to be removed. So let's add the given items added to basket as a precondition of the scenario. And select the template and save it and switch to this empty test project. Programming language and paradigm are not important here. We will talk about them in a minute. And here's the required behavior as test code. It's driven right from design. So I can confidently solve this puzzle and make the build pass, then make the test pass and refactor it a couple of times and bring it to life as quickly as possible. But do I have to use a specific programming language or paradigm or coding style? To answer that question, let's select another template and save it and go to the project. And here's the YAML representation of the same scenario. Let's try it again. Gherkin's used for a different level of tests, but let's just give it a try to see how it works. And save it, go to the project, and here's a human-friendly version of the same scenario. But where did templates come from? Let's open Template Studio. This is where you can easily reproduce different types of test templates for different purposes. In the middle, Preview pane displays the Gherkin representation of the scenario we just hunted. And the template that's used to generate it is on the left. And as I make changes to the template, I can see the changes in the preview live. So let's replace it with something simpler. Dot is the model of the scenario we just hunted. Let's pass it to this YAML function so that we can see the YAML version of the scenario we just hunted in the preview pane. But I want to see JavaScript version of the scenario, something like this. I want to see JavaScript, it's showing me YAML, so I'll delete it. This is the template, this is the preview of the template, and this is what I expect to see as the preview of the template. Now, let's copy what I expect to see as a preview of the template and paste it as actual template to make all three identical. And change the language to JavaScript. And it's the time to replace constants with variables to gradually build a template. Do you remember this model? Yes, this is the model we've been dealing with while we were hunting the scenario. Do you remember where we put the basket? Yes, we selected it as subject. So let's say subject, the title, and I have basket here again. And the diff tells us that the B is supposed to be lowercase. So let's say I want the camel case version of the title. And look how it helps us with showing us where the error is. Let's fix it and copy it and paste it here, here, and here. I guess that's enough. You got it. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to build scenario hunting templates. For more information, you can go to scenariohunting.com. Thank you for listening.